A long divided journey, but I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces, walking back into the light. In the sunset of your glory, where my heart and future lies. Nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you, my miracle. You could see what I see. That is such in my praise. Even you could feel the gentleness I feel. You would know really clear that angels brought me here. Standing here before you feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heart speaks your name. My dreams came true, right in front of you. My miracle, you could see what I see. Your answer to my praise, and then you could feel the tenderness I feel. You would know, you would be clear that angels brought me here, brought me here to be with you. I'll be ever grateful, forever grateful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle, if you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. And you could feel the tenderness I feel. You would know, you would be clear that angels for me. Yes, yes, such my prayer. And you could feel the tenderness